This video tutorial I will explain JMS. JMS stands for Java Message Service, and JMS is the technology that allows different software applications to communicate with each other using messages. Imagine you have two friends, Alice and Bob, who want to exchange information, but they cannot meet in person. Instead, they use a mailbox system to send and receive the messages. In the world of software, applications often need to talk to each other, even if they are running on different computers or servers. In this case, JMS acts as a virtual mailbox system for software applications. Messages. Just like Alice and Bob send messages to each other, applications can send messages to communicate. These messages can contain information like text, data, commands, or anything that needs to be shared between the applications. JMS has two main communication models. First one is queue and the second one is topic. Queue is like one-to-one communication. An application sends message to a queue and another application read the message from the same queue, and it is similar to sending a private message. And topic is like one to many communication. An application send message to a topic, and all the application that are interested in that topic can receive and process the message. It is like sending out a broadcast message that multiple friends can listen to. Message producer and consumer. In JMS, the application that sends the message is called message producer, and the application that receives and processes the message is called message consumer. Message broker. Just like a real mailbox system needs a central place to manage mailboxes and messages, like that JMS uses component called message broker, and this message broker is responsible for receiving messages from producers and delivering messages to consumers. Message broker ensures the messages are delivered reliably and in the right order. Asynchronous communication. JMS enables asynchronous communication, which means applications don't have to wait for each other to respond. They can continue their work while messages are being exchanged. Overall, JMS is a way for software applications to talk to each other efficiently, reliably, and without direct connections. And it is like having a digital mailbox system that helps applications to share information, commands, and data, even if they are located far apart. Imagine Alice and Bob, who are two software applications, sending messages back and forth through digital mailbox managed by JMS. Now you got the basic understanding of how JMS works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.